In this video, we will be fixing this engine making rattling noise. From sound like this to this. Stay tuned. Let's pop off the hood and see what's the damage. So far, this is what I know. During idling, the engine make a very loud rattling noise. When I'm driving, I can hear the rattling noise, especially when I accelerate. Afterwards, the rattling noise suddenly disappear. Well, this rattling noise actually is a common problem for W210M111 engine, because this rattling noise is come from the tensioner damper. It come from this part. And this is the method that I use for confirming the tensioner damper make that rattling noise. You just have to touch it. Now we know the tensioner damper is broken, so let's replace with a new one. Safety first, wear glove. We need to remove the belt. In order to do that, we need to put the tensioner in servicing mode. The tensioner have these two holes, which we can use to put in servicing mode by using this part. Now, to twist the tensioner, we need to use this special socket. All the tools and parts are at description below, so you guys can check it out. I honestly could not believe how this tensioner damper broken so quickly, because I did the full rebuild on the whole belting system and all of other parts are still okay, but this tensioner damper is the first one to broke. If you are interested to watch how to replace the whole belting system, at the end of the video, we'll have a pop-up of that video so you guys can click on it. The tensioner in servicing mode, now we can remove the pulley. Can you believe that this single thing can make your Mercedes sound so terrible? If you can hear it in real life, it sounds like the engine is giving up. It really does sound like your engine is having a major problem. But luckily, it's only a minor problem which I believe everyone can DIY, do it yourself. Remove these two bolts, then we can take out the old tensioner damper. Even this minor problem, if you bring it to any local workshop, for sure they will charge you maybe around 300 to 400 ringgit, I guess. But since I do it myself, I save a lot of money. So if you guys want to save money too, my video is perfect for all DIY person out there. I have a lot of future plans for this Project Germany series. Later, I will edit many videos and share to all of you guys. I'm hoping my video will be super helpful for all W210 owners out there so that you guys can take a good care of this classic Mercedes. Replace it with new one, then basically it's the reverse order on how we disassemble it. This car is very special to me. When everything is working perfectly, it feels like you are driving on a smooth, peaceful road. No bumps, no funny noises, just a wonderful ride where everything works just right. Every time I work on it, I'm making it better and stronger. It's like building a tower, one block at a time, until it's tall and sturdy. Soon the car will be like new, maybe even better than before, and then the fun really begins. This car is more than just a machine. It's like a trusty friend who always there for you. And with a little more work, it's going to be ready for anything, ready to take on the world. I can't wait to see where we will go next. To buy the Mercedes replacement part, I was surprised that even in Shopee many sellers already start selling it there. All you have to do is to search it at Shopee the parts name. Don't forget to remove this pin. Then there are many sellers sells the parts. You can find sellers sell brand like Lemforder, Melee and also China brand. But my advice for all of you guys, Before buy it from the seller, please contact the seller and share your chassis number for confirming the parts that they are selling are actually for your car. Because Mercedes have many similar parts for many similar W210. So please contact them and confirm is the part are yours. Last, we need to check the belt in its place. I usually buy at Rimbunan Kuasa Kelang. Buying from them is a lot more easier because you can get the parts on the spot. Meanwhile, if you buy at Shopee, you have to wait for at least 3 days for the parts to arrive. Either way, both ways still get me the parts that I want. Okay, bismillah, let's try. Would you hear that? The sound is much more better now. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe and share to your friend if they have this kind of problem. Click here if you want to watch how to replace the whole belting system. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.